KitchenAid is an extremely well-known brand internationally when it comes to stand mixers and a lot of other kitchen appliances. Almost a century-old name, it is preferred and used by most pastry chefs and bakers across the world. In this video, let's see how to use a KitchenAid stand mixer. You could also read the detailed post on my blog as well. You can find the link in the description box below the video. Broadly speaking, KitchenAid comes in tilt head and bowl lift models. Made in the USA, these are made entirely of die-cast metal, so extremely sturdy and durable. You can choose these from a wide range of more than 15 colors. The stand mixers come with a 5-year warranty on domestic use and 1-year warranty for commercial use. This is the Artisan 5-quart tilt head model. 300 watts power, comes with a 4.8 litre mixing bowl. The Artisan mini model comes with a 3.3 litre mixing bowl, 250 watts power. The 500 watt bowl lift heavy duty model is much more powerful and comes with a bigger 6.9 litre mixing bowl. There is also a heavy duty professional model. You can also check out the 4.8 litre bowl lift model. And then there is this 4.8 litre, comes with 2 mixing bowls. Please do read the manual for more technical specifications. In the tilt head models, as the name suggests, you can tilt the motor head back and forth. This makes fixing the attachments easier and gives better access to the mixing bowl. The Artisan 5-quart stand mixer comes with 5 accessories. This is the paddle attachment and this is the dough hook. Both of these are nylon coated. The stainless steel wire whip. This is the stainless steel mixing bowl and there is the pouring shield. This stainless steel wire whip comes with 6 wires. The wire whip of the professional model has 11 wires. The dough hook and the paddle are all steel. You can also check the paddle, which comes with a flexible silicone scraper as an additional accessory. The dough hook, the whip and the paddle rotate with a 59-point planetary action, helping mix ingredients thoroughly. This is the pouring shield. You can fit it on the mixing bowl and pour in the ingredients without any mess. This again comes as an additional accessory for some models. The stainless steel bowl has a handle which makes it easy to move it around and lift it. You could also go in for a glass mixing bowl which is available in 3 different glass textures. This is the lever which helps you tilt and lock or release the motor head. This is the speed control lever with the speed levels going from 1 to 10. This is the attachment hub to fit more than 10 optional attachments such as the ice cream maker, the spiralizer, the pasta maker and many more. So apart from cooking, you can use the KitchenAid stand mixer for a lot of everyday cooking too. Please do check the KitchenAid website for more details on these. Ideally, the dough hook, the paddle or the wire whip should not touch the sides or bottom of the bowl when you're running the stand mixer or they'll wear out. It should not be too far away from the bowl either. This is called as the bowl to beater clearance. To adjust the height of the beater if necessary, you can use this screw here. If we have to fit one of these attachments, we'll first need to slide the locking lever to the unlock position and tilt back the motor head. This makes it easy to fit the attachment. When you tilt the motor head, the lever automatically goes back to the lock position, so the head remains tilted. Similarly, to lower the motor head, slide back the lever into the unlock position and gently lower the head. The locking lever will again automatically go back to the locked position. Please remember, the mixer needs to be in locked position when you use it. So to fit an attachment, we'll first need to tilt back the motor head, slip the attachment onto the beater shaft, push it up and turn it right onto this pin here. This is very similar to the way you would fix a light bulb. To unlock, press the attachment upward and turn it left and then pull it away. The paddle attachment is now fitted and now we need to place the bowl. We'll place the bowl on this plate here and turn it gently clockwise to lock it into position. And to unlock, we need to turn it counterclockwise. And now the stand mixer is ready to use. It is recommended that you start the stand mixer on the low speed and then gradually move on to the higher speeds. Usually low speed is used for stirring, mixing and folding in ingredients. Medium speed is used for creaming and for kneading dough. High speed is usually used for whipping eggs, cream and such. But please do follow recipe instructions always. You can also read more details in my post. Always stop the stand mixer if you need to scrape down the batter at any point of time. Coming back to the accessories, the dough hook is usually used for kneading dough for bread, pizza, and of course roti, naan and samosa patti too. There may be exceptions though, so please do follow recipe instructions. The temperature of yeast dough rises as you mix it, so if you bake a lot with very sticky dough such as focaccia, you may want to check out the ice water jacket attachment. It helps the dough to maintain optimal temperature. The paddle attachment is usually used for making cake batter and cookie dough. You can also make some really good flaky pastry. Stay tuned for more such recipes coming up in this series. Sometimes the paddle attachment is also used to mix bread dough with a high proportion of liquid. Also, if mixing very small quantities of dough, then you might find the paddle attachment more helpful as it reaches closer to the bottom of the bowl. Please experiment and stick to whatever works best for you. The whisk is used when you want to incorporate air while whipping eggs, egg whites or cream. You can achieve much more volume with a stand mixer while whipping eggs or egg whites as compared to a hand mixer. And this volume helps make your cakes and bakes lighter and better. So making large patches of meringue, macarons, buttercream or genovese is much more easier and the end product is much better. The motor head may feel warm or even hot when you use it for heavy loads or use the mixer for a prolonged mixing period. That is normal, not to worry. This machine is very sturdy, easy to use and maintain. It's a real workhorse. The stand mixer makes the baking process much more easier and more enjoyable as it takes care of all the hard work for you. It leaves you totally hands-free. But when you mix very stiff dough, it is better to stay near the machine as the machine may walk on the counter. But there is always that learning curve and you will surely figure out what works best for you for various recipes. I'll keep updating the blog post as I continue to use the stand mixer. Please do share if you found this video useful. Stay tuned for easy recipes using the KitchenAid stand mixer and lots more. Please subscribe, please stay tuned.